Front right.
Get ready, Ethan. Get ready.
Take him, guys. Take him, guys. I shot triple greenheads there, baby.
Down that way, and you can run 20 off that.
I know the Lesters are going to do it great.
All right, y'all, welcome back to another one. I'm super excited today. That's all I'm gonna say. A bunch of ducks in here, a bunch of Lesters and specks. It ought to be a really good morning. We have a good wind, sunshine, and a decent hide out here in a ginormous section, a full section of cut wheat. Looks awesome. We'll talk to you more when the sun comes up. Hopefully we start banging on some ducks any minute now. All right, got 3 minutes, 3 minutos.
I'm going to take a 2.5 minute nap, so wake me up.
Okay. Hope I can shoot straight today. Oh, I'm pumped. God, it looks cool out here, man. It looks freaking cool looking. This is like perfect lighting too for decoying birds. There's a duck. You want to shoot the duck?
I don't care if you want to shoot him. He looks...
Get him, Ethan.
Ethan, kill him. He's a greenhead.
Bella. Good shot.
I don't want to shoot decoys.
That's a good shot. Nice shot. Young greenhead. Here, here, here. Thank you. Kendall. Good girl. Good girly. That was pretty sexy, actually. Shoot these ducks.
All right. Pennies.
Take them. Nice shot.
That's for Joker.
Patience there.
That was awesome. Here. Oh my gosh, light.
Yeah.
Kennel, kennel.
Look, I was looking for more ducks. No, these are ducks in the decoys.
Take them, guys.
Right, full, right. Nice.
Nice shots. Good shooting.
Just had to do some controlling traffic for you there. I didn't know if you seen the
Man, I
greenhead.
headshot that first one. It didn't go down.
Oh, really?
Yeah, well, I got him the second time.
Oh.
Again.
Have we missed a shot yet?
I don't know.
I don't know. That's behind us.
I never shot.
There's one that is still out there on the left.
Back.
Babe, let's get down. Hold on. There's
Here.
ducks coming. There's ducks coming. Big wad.
Here.
Big wad of ducks.
Here. Here. Good girl. Here. Kendall.
Ducks love us, dude.
Ducks love it. Where are they at?
Back left, same spot coming.
They're coming.
They were. I lost them. There's like a 30 pack.
Dang, where are the Lesters at?
Oh, right here, up your side.
Holy cow.
Big Drake Pintail right in the hole.
Take them, boys.
Big Drake Pintail right in the hole.
Take them, boys. I got 2 greens.
She's
That
dead.
Pintail Drake.
Yeah, he was
Oh.
shooting at the cripple.
You like that, Ryder? Let's go.
Watch this Drake before I want to shoot that.
Just wait. You don't just shoot everything in the hole, bud.
Back. Oh, she went for the far one. Look at that. Come on,
They
smell
went. They went around the back of us, and not the left side.
That was sick.
I knew they were coming. I didn't know where they went to though.
We both went for that Drake pintail.
No, I didn't shoot it.
You like that, Ryder? That was sweet. Ooh, that's a gorgeous pintail.
We got honks coming.
I saw him.
Group of geese to the
Here.
left.
Here. That's nice. Look at that bad boy. Oh gosh, I jumped. That's sick. Those are awesome decoying ducks, huh? Y'all picking green?
Mm-hmm.
Hell yeah.
I saw one hen there. One pintail.
That's okay.
The ducks love us.
No, back. Oh, there's your hen. Here. Back. Should be one right in there somewhere, girl. Here. There's a good greenie I got there, boy. Here. Come on, pay attention. Kendall, good girl. Good girl.
No. Right here on the left, a group of geese. I don't know what they are.
Geese? Oh, Lessers. Come on, Lessers. Kendall. Here we go. Take him, boys.
I got the high one.
Get him.
I got the one on the ground when he goes.
Get him. What in the chicken was that, dude?
That was Plinko.
Oh my gosh. Take him, boys.
I got the high one.
Get him.
I got the one on the ground when he goes.
Get him. What in the chicken was that, dude?
That was Plinko.
Oh my gosh. Oh gosh.
I like those geese.
Bella, back. That was strange. The Lessers loved it though. Fetch it up.
Client over here missed a shot.
Did he?
I made up for it.
Here.
You missed the
Good girl.
cherries. And what
Here.
are you doing?
Here. Back.
You didn't have your head down, did you? Your head was probably 6 inches off your gun.
Fetch it up. That was awesome.
We
Here.
need more of them.
Here. Back. Might be hurt. Good girl. There, girl. Here. Hey.
Wish there
Back.
was more than 4.
Here you go. Oh gosh. I don't know how that's still punching.
Oh, he just face painted me like a warrior chief.
Good girl. Here. Heel. That's gorgeous. Sit.
Ethan, cover your birds up.
Sit. Hey, back. Woohoo! Look at that stud. That is a big old bull migrator there. Holy cow. Look at that blood off there. Wow. That is nice. Hey girl, no band on there? That's gotta be Whitey's stud there. Here. Here.
I think that's yours.
Thank you. Thank you.
Isn't that yours?
Yeah, I think it is mine actually. Come here. Come here. Come here.
That's the one I said to your right.
Kendall. Kendall. Good girly. Heck yeah, that's awesome, Ryder. That was fun.
Got geese.
Got some coming here. Need that sun to get up just a touch more. Want that drake to come down.
Here he comes, right off your side. Dumping. Being typical pintails.
Oh geez, I never saw that one.
A hen mallard. I didn't see that one either, but
Is that a cripple?
I don't think.
Didn't look like it. Here we go. Come over here.
The greenheads are just on them. Mallards lost it.
Holy cow.
A lot of green
They have no
boys.
idea.
There's 6 greenheads. They didn't bank the right way.
Wonder if there's a belly up bird or something. Shoot that green head.
Shoot him.
Shoot that green head.
Shoot him.
Dang.
You can't, Gus.
Back. Back.
I'd pull feathers out of that other one.
I'm gonna make a little adjustment here. All right, our ducks are doing it really well. The geese are kind of iffy because our shadow's super bad from the sun right now. We need that sun to just get up a little bit for us. Good girl, Bella. But ducks are doing it nice. That's what we came here for. Got a couple of lessers in the hole too. Those did it great. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, heel. Sit. Is there another one? Oh, we got him. All right. Good shot. Here.
Here,
Back.
I think that's the last one. Maybe not, there might be another one.
Here. Sit. Sit. Thank you. Good girly. Good girly. A lot of greenheads. And some pintails. Is that yours?
No, I tried to do it.
Good girl, Bella. Kennel. Kennel.
Yeah, I shot 3.
All right, here we got the big ducks coming now here. Kendall, good girl.
Ducks
Here
up
we go.
top.
Up
Big
top.
wad.
Up top. Are they stealing our ducks now? There's a pair.
There's a wad at 1 o'clock too. They're just pouring out now, dude.
Get these 2 greenheads.
Shoot 'em. Nice. Shoot 'em. Nice.
Bella. Hoping those.
Yeah, our shadow's awful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's bad.
Ethan, did you figure out there's more than 300 birds in this field?
Do what? Good girl. Here. Here. Stud greenies though. Hey, back. Why?
Honkers.
Here, here. Kennel, kennel. Good girl. They're not working right.
They're gonna do it one more time.
Here we go.
Back right. Coming around.
Come do it. On the right. Out front, out front, out front.
Get down here.
Front right.
Get ready, Ethan. Get ready.
Take them, guys. Nice.
Get ready, Ethan. Get ready.
Take them, guys. Nice.
We
We cleaned house there.
all green.
We need one more. Back. Bella, back.
Shoot a hand.
You didn't shoot a hen. I hope not. It was all green.
Yeah, I didn't shoot a hen either. I shot triple greenheads there, baby. That was
Got 5
nice.
greenheads. Catch it up. Better.
All right.
We need our shadow to go away. dude.
Yeah,
That's
we
all
just need our
it is.
shadow to go away. Daggum. Sit. Back. Here you go. Here. Heel. Heel. Sit. Sit. Back.
Keep throwing them.
Here. Good girl. Someone shot a hen by accident. Here. Heel. Heel. Sit.
That's a greenhead, dude.
Sit. Hey, sit. Sit. Back.
Hey, it's a greenhead. That's all you need to keep track
Sit.
of.
Show Ryder who's the boss. Who's the boss? Good girl.
You got one more.
One more.
I'm at stick.
See the little black spot right at the top of the mojo spinner? Is that a duck?
Sit. Back.
I think it's a duck. I don't know what else it would be.
There's 6 here, 6 behind me.
Or is it not?
There's one. There's another one. Gosh, Ethan's killing all the hens. Heel. 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 Here.
I didn't shoot a hen
Here.
there.
Good girl. Good girl. Sit. Hey.
More
Sit.
than 12 dogs.
Back.
Is that not a duck?
I don't think it is. Oh, it is.
Yeah. I was gonna
Good
say,
girl.
it's something weird
Nice
there.
Drake.
Something dense.
Good girl. It's a flapper. It's a big old green bean flapper. Good girly. Thank you. Thank you. Good girl. Kennel. Heck yeah.
That was good.
That was
better.
nice. All right. That's awesome. Oh, that was pretty flock. I'm glad we waited. I was getting a little irritated there for a sec. God, the shadow's a little bit ridiculous right now, but it's almost inside the decoys. It was over the front edge of our decoys. Probably should have scooted our blinds back just a touch, but heavy wind this morning, so we've got them up a little tighter than normal. It worked out. We got about 6 greenheads there, so enjoying it. You having fun, White?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our shadow was gone.
I know, if our shadow is gone.
We'd
that'd
have a
be
limit of
fantastic.
specs, dude.
Ryder, you having fun? Woo!
Ethan says, yeah, you guys lied.
Yeah.
Right here, over top.
Where at?
No, ducks. No, Ethan, they're all new. This happened yesterday.
Hens do it the nastiest.
The field we hunted yesterday morning had 400 in it the day before, and it had 10,000 yesterday.
Oh, on the right, on the right, on the right, on the right, on the right.
Call, no call. Just let him come. Get ready, Ethan. There's 3 of them. They're freaking geese. Shoot them.
I'll take them, guys. I'll take them, guys. Did you shoot the other one? No, we just folded them.
2 and 1, I thought.
Let me take care of that cripple.
Yeah. Yeah, you can grab them. Throw it back. Here!
Got it?
Yeah, she got it. Good girl. And she doesn't mind the slapping anymore. Here, 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 here.
Your goose is still alive there, Cupcake.
Thank you. Give me a little love. Give me a little love. Oh, that's a good pup. It's a good Bella girl. You dog Bella. You're a goose dog Bella. Goose duck. Goose duck dog. Goose duck dog. Kennel. Kennel. Don't get sad. Kennel.
God, I wanted to blow him up.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh my God. Shoot those. Nice shot.
Race to the green bean.
Back.
Oh, I wasn't shooting it. I was waiting for you to shoot. I need 3. They're coming so much higher than what they did last
real
night.
high today.
They're in it.
Here.
Well,
Here, Bella. And she
makes-
likes to go around.
it makes sense.
Good girl.
Hey.
Here.
They're
No, that
not
was
a-
sexy though. We
they're
like
not-
shooting them there.
They're coming from
Back.
they're coming from the roost, and they're not coming from their loaf. That makes sense. I'm guessing this back here is their loaf.
It's right there. Good girl. You're what?
They're coming from their roost, not their loaf,
Yeah. Here. Good girlie.
which is
That's a big old triple curl mallard there. Nope, single curl, double curl, single curl. Big Melly. Big Melly. Oh, it's a good girl. What are you?
the only thing I could think of to maybe help just a tad is just to move that
Who's a
stuff
good girl?
out.
Who's a good girl? What? Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
You
Good girl. Kennel. Kennel. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Good girl. Kennel. Kennel. Kennel.
let's. You want to try moving the mojos and the duck out? Like
Yeah. I mean,
6 or 7 yards.
yeah.
Some of them,
Definitely would.
they don't need that many
Where
full
we
bodies.
normally have them. Oh, making a quick adjustment here. Duckies need to start duckying up. All right, we moved some full body ducks out there. Mojo's a little bit further. Ought to be good to go now. Kennel. Kennel. Take them, guys.
Far.
Nice shot. Take them, guys.
Far.
Nice shot. Did you get two?
No, it's
Nice
one.
one.
They're just, why are they trying to skate the top edge?
They're coming back here, which is really strange.
Yeah.
They're working that wind really strange.
It's backwards,
Yeah.
and the wind's this way.
I just gotta take a quick photo.
All right, back.
I didn't think you got one.
Yeah, that was a good shot.
Freshies up top. Two more.
Got the Drake.
Yeah, that was only, that was the only one
Molly
hit,
walked him. Here,
only one hitting the ground.
good girl. Good girl. Do what? Got a greenhead? Heel. Sit. Hey. Sit. Mark. Sit. Sit. Back. Oh yeah, that's my one from earlier.
Yeah, that's when you shot the pair.
Here, sit.
Should be, that's from that.
Thank you. Stud greens, baby. Isn't that what we like to see, Ryder?
We got a pile of ducks to the
Cameraman
right.
Ryder. Kennel. Kennel. Kennel girly. Kennel. Good girl. Good girly. Kennel. Kennel. Got a bunch of ducks here. Take him, White. Take him, White. Nice. Got a pintail.
You shot a hen.
I shot a hen. Well, I shot talking about the ones right there. Okay.
There's a lot of greenheads today in them groups up top.
Drop them back here. See if we can't get two to a row here. Good girl. Thank you. I know, I saw it. That's why I was saying that. Thought it was banded. All right. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed that video. We had a super good time. Ethan, our buddy from Ontario, came hunting with us in this video. We finished out a limit of ducks, had a handful of geese decoy. It was super, super fun. We will be moving on to Alberta after this, which we'll have a blast there as well, and then North Dakota. And then we are back to Ontario to go diver hunting. A lot of you have been asking us to go diver hunting. We will be doing that soon after this. But y'all don't forget duckstuffco.com. Our merch is available now. Y'all be sure to go pick some up. We really appreciate your support. We really appreciate you guys watching these videos. We hope you enjoy them. The duck calls, guns, ammo, all linked down in the description below. that I use. If you like them, check them out. Be sure to use my code COLE10. And I guess that's about it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next video.